Skies are cloudy with a few peaks of sun. Temperature in the mid-70s with a southerly breeze at 9. Very high dew point. It's warm and quite humid out there. But again, unlike last night, no storms bearing down on us. Just a couple of spotty showers. Temperatures region-wide mostly 70s. A few areas a little more stubborn to warm up, but still not too bad. Mid to upper 60s and above average for this time of year. You can see the radar view. Every now and then a spotty light shower moving by. That's to be expected this evening and overnight. But overall, a partly cloudy to cloudy sky. Again, not as active as last night. But where it is active is to our north and west. A solid frontal boundary and areas of low pressure moving along it is going to make it very active from Texas. This is one area of active weather tonight. The other is across southern portions of Iowa, Missouri, back through Illinois. This area kind of an outbreak of severe storms as the night progresses. For us, high pressure holding that back, but the high is going to gradually weaken and allow the system to move our way. But as it does so, the energy will weaken just a little bit. It may break down to two separate parts of energy, one north of us, one south. So what we'll be dealing with is potentially a line of storms from, say, mid to late evening tomorrow night in the early stage of the overnight. And for most of us, we're under that level 1, level 2 risk that a few storms may provide, damaging wind gusts being the main threat. But of course, isolated tornadoes can never be ruled out. It's a low threat, but not zero. Let's talk about timing. This takes us through the night tonight. A spotty shower here and there, otherwise cloudy. Same thing tomorrow. Temperatures upper 60s early, but throughout the day, warm, breezy. Gusts really picking up from the south and west, 10 to 20 miles an hour. And the timing of this may still fluctuate a bit, but say from early evening to about mid-evening, there's some showers and storms could start to roll in. Some models are a little bit later than others, but I would say toward mid-evening and toward midnight, that leading edge of storms may provide the best chance of wind gusts and isolated tornadoes. Behind that line, it's going to be mainly heavy downpours of rain overnight and then gradually starting to cool off. So by first thing on Thursday morning, all of this is rain, not severe, but look what happens to temperatures. 30s, 40s showing up, and the rest of the day Thursday has temperatures highs only in the 50s and breezy. And then by Friday morning, several areas risk a patchy frost away from the city. Temperatures are rapidly warm following this, but it's followed by an even colder blast of air for early next week. Welcome to March. Here's your forecast tomorrow. All spring-like, highs in the 80s and very breezy. Chance for a shower and storm after sunset and toward the evening and early stage of the overnight hours. So we're weather alert, but it's not all day tomorrow. It's primarily tomorrow night. Look at Thursday, upper 50s for highs. But we quickly warm up after that frosty start Friday morning, back to the upper 70s Sunday. Then sharply colder. Look at that low by next Tuesday, 28. I hope you didn't set out those plants just yet. If you did, be prepared to cover them up.